Okay, so here I have a AI chatbot for my website that I made with n8n and n8n. If we go ahead and ask it, what do you guys do? So it gives us a reply and it gets info from your websites or anything that you tell it. And at the end it says we have a zero cost demo, do you want it? If we say yes, it'll ask for our details. So if I give it that, it'll add us as a lead. So this basically makes it so that it engages with website visitors and turns them into leads that you can reach out to later. And if we look at our spreadsheet, we can see that the agent has added a new lead. Okay, so you can download these flows for free from the link in the description. I'll also cover how it works. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go to n8n.com and create an account if you don't have one, or you can just log in. Then what you want to do is add a widget session start node just by right clicking and dragging the nodes into the workflow. So once you've added that, you can add a capture node. Just set this to the default last user message, then add a API request node. Then what you want to do is make a new flow in n8n and add a webhook node. Set the HTTP method to post, and then make sure to set respond to using respond to webhook node. Now once you've got your webhook URL, copy that in this API request node, add this right here, and then set the method to post. And you can leave everything else as it is. Then what we do is we trigger the flow once by clicking on execute workflow and then hitting test here. Then once the flow is triggered, add a AI agent node. Use whatever model and memory you want to use. I'll just use Gemini and simple memory. Then inside AI agent, add an option and select system message. I'll put this in the description so you can copy paste it. And make sure you've set source for prompt to define below and set prompt to be prompt here. It should be message, and just drag this into here. Now the next thing you need to do is connect your n8n bot's knowledge to this AI agent right here. Now add a HTTP tool to the AI agent. In here, set the method to post, and then set the URL to https://n8n.com/API/knowledge search. I'll put this in the description too. We can set authentication to none for now, and turn on send headers, then specify headers using JSON. Inside the JSON, you want to add this. I'll put this in the description, but you have to get your API key by yourself. And to do that, all you do is go to your n8n dashboard, go here to API keys, then make a new key. Now put your key in here, then turn on send body content type to JSON, specify body using JSON. Then in here, I'll put this in the description too. The only thing you'll have to change is chatbot ID. Just go to your chatbot, and under the chatbot name, there should be the ID right there. So just copy that and then paste it in here. Keep this at 5 and keep minimum score to 0.7. Then once you've done that, the HTTP tool is done. Then the second tool that you'll have to add is a Google Sheets add lead tool. So make a new spreadsheet and add these 4 columns. Of course you can add more if you want, but if you want to add more columns, that means more information of the lead. Then you have to tell the agent to get more information from that person. Then for the values to send, just click on this AI sparkle icon for all of it. This just lets the agent decide what to put in here. Okay, so that is done. Now the last thing that we have to do in n8n is add a respond to webhook node. Set respond with to JSON, and the response body should be this. I'll add this to the description. Then once this is done, the last thing that we have to do is give your agent knowledge and make it able to send the message. So first we'll give it the knowledge. So head back to your chatbot and go to the knowledge base tab. I've added some stuff here just for testing, but all you have to do is click on add item, select website URL and add a title. Then you can put your website URL in here. But it doesn't really work with React apps. So if your website's made with React like mine, then what you have to do is go to the page, to Command or Control Windows A to select all of it, and then copy. Then go back in n8n, select text content, and then just paste it in here. Now if you don't know what React is, that's totally fine. It's basically like it's a coding library for developers. But if you've made your website with tools like Base44 or Bolt, then it's most likely a React app. Okay, so once you've added the knowledge, the next thing we want to do is make the chatbot able to add the message to the chat. So go to workflow, open the builder. Then at the end, add a speak node, and in here, enter in this. I'll put this in the description too. And then you want to connect the speak node back to the capture node. And the next thing we do is go to deploy, go to embed on website, continue to deploy. Then customize it. Once you like it, go here and click on copy code. Now if you use AI tools like Base44, just tell it to add this code. But if you code your website, what you want to do is go to index.html, and then right before the closing body tag, what you want to do is just paste the code in there. then save it and deploy it. And that's how you make an AI chatbot for your website using n8n and n8n. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. And all of this is downloadable for free from the link in the description.